Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is design qualification. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda and stick around to the end for the bonus questions. Our topic, design qualification, is covered by 1345, section 7.5.6. Design qualification in 5 words. Ensure design meets process needs. Design qualification, or DQ, is mainly a term used in the pharmaceutical industry where we will review the design of a facility, equipment, or system to ensure that the process that that facility, equipment, or system supports meets its intended use and fulfills all applicable regulatory requirements. The DQ itself will be based on a user requirements document or a user requirements specification that outlines the requirements for the facility, the equipment, or the system. At that point, verification activities will be defined. You will have a protocol, and then later you will write a report. And the verification activities will show that all of the user requirements have been fulfilled. In the medical device space, the DQ normally is not done. The activities that are done in a DQ in the device space are confirmed normally during an IQ and an OQ. If you happen to have a FAT, factory acceptance test, or an SAT, a site acceptance test, these can easily fit into your process and also include a DQ. This just has to be defined in your local procedures. So how do I know this is working? Well, if you use DQs, then the requirements for the DQ is outlined in your procedure. There are forms and templates, and you know what you're doing. Second, there is a pre-approved protocol for your DQ, and then once you execute all the activities in your DQ, you have a report. And then finally, if we have any deviations during our DQ, those deviations are identified, documented, investigated, and ultimately dispositioned in the final report. How do I know it's not working? Well, I utilize DQ, design qualifications, and it's not called out in my procedure. There are no forms, there are no templates. Second, I do not have pre-approved protocols when I do my DQs. Third, I don't write a report when my DQ is done, capturing all of the results and the deviation. And then finally, when I do have deviations during my DQ, I'm not documenting and investigating those deviations and ultimately dispositioning them before I release my product. And now for the 3 bonus questions. Do we utilize DQ or design qualification within our validation processes? Second, do we have a procedure and do we have templates for the DQ? And then finally, can you show me the last DQ that was executed within the facility? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.